Okay, for the last video, we're going to do the calculator section, and there are two types of problems. One is where we find the zero of a function, and the other is when we solve an equation by putting each side of the equation into y1 and y2 and finding the intersection of the two equations. So for the first problem, remember that you're going to need to put parentheses around your numerator. And also around your denominator, and enter it in the calculator that way. So I already put this equation in my y1, so you might want to pause the video and put the equation in your y1. And then you press graph, and you can see that there's 1, 0 right here. So to calculate that, I press second, trace, and I choose choice 2, 0. For the left bound, you need to move the arrow to the left of the 0 and press enter. For the right bound, you need to move the cursor to the right of the 0 and press enter. And for guess, I like to move back close to where the answer should be and press enter one more time. And we get approximately 0.453. For the second problem, we're going to find the solutions. So we're going to enter those two into the calculator. In your y1, you'll put the left side. Make sure you put parentheses around your numerator and around your denominator. And in your y2, you'll put the right side, parentheses around your numerator and denominator. So pause the video for just a minute and enter that in your calculator. Okay, so check your calculator and make sure that your calculator looks like mine. Put parentheses around my numerator and around my denominator, and then press graph. You can graph it in a standard window and it should show up just fine. Remember, press zoom standard if you've messed up your window. So there seem to be two intersections, one over here and one over here. So the steps are to press second, trace, and intersect, which is choice 5. And down at the bottom here, it tells me where my cursor is. It's at x equals 0, and I need to move it to the left so that I can get it onto the branch over here on the left. So press the left arrow till it jumps over there. And when you're close to the answer, you just press enter 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Your answer will be the x part of the point, so it's negative 1.14 approximately. There's a second answer, so we're going to find that now. Do the same steps. Second, trace, intersect, and now you want to move right until you are close to the second answer. Okay, it looks like it's somewhere around here, so press enter 3 times. And your second answer is 3.79. Okay, and that's it for your review.